Welcome to the land of ancient wonders, where history whispers through the winds and culture dances in the vibrant streets. Join us on a journey through the heart of Iran, a land of contrasts and complexities, where tradition meets modernity in a harmonious blend. From the majestic ruins of Persepolis to the bustling bazaars of Tehran, Iran is a treasure trove of beauty and mystery waiting to be explored. Let us be your guides as we unravel the rich tapestry of Persian culture, from the poetry of Hafez to the intricate designs of Persian carpets. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on this enchanting voyage with us. Let's discover the magic of Iran together. Dear friends, today we have brought you to an attractive and old and at the same time busy place in the city of Mashhad. Porsina neighborhood of Mashhad, which is located on the outskirts of Mashhad. This neighborhood consists of a long and winding street and old houses. There is no law for the boundaries of the street here, and years ago when people started building here, no one determined the boundaries of the street and everyone started building houses according to their own taste. Dark and narrow alleys, streets, there are sometimes big and sometimes small in it, which has created an interesting and different neighborhood with all the inconsistency. We hope you enjoy visiting this neighborhood.